To monitor a group's progress in Edgenuity, first go to Courses, Manage Courses. Now you can filter by group by opening up this Filters feature and click on the Groups tab. Now select which group you would like to monitor and make sure you click Apply. Now this will give you that specific student group's progress and overall grade. Now if you are Hermione's math teacher and you don't want to see her English courses, you can filter a little bit further by filtering by subject. Remember to click Apply. And that's how you can monitor student progress. This is a little different than the dashboard because the dashboard will show you progress if they have something that needs attention, like unlocking a test, but this shows progress just in the normal progression through the course.